So I'm ready to start setting up the legs for the bench. Now I have to stay off that because I just did that. And I just mortared this one down, although I think I can stand on it, it's fine. Now this one here was a little suspicious. I have seen some quartz that look similar to this, but I didn't think this was a quartz. So I decided to do a little test on it, and that is, if you take a quartz and you tap the edge of it, kind of break it off some, and then smell it, you're going to smell organics. And this one you do not, so I'm comfortable. This is not a quartz. I didn't think it was, but I thought I should test it anyways, because I had seen something similar. Now it does have some sparkle to it, so I don't know what granite it is, but it's pretty unique. Okay, so I'm going to start putting down the legs, staying away from the fresh stuff. This part is all hard, everything. It's had a couple days, so we should be good. And if I can get this pile out of here, because this pile is what made those legs, plus some more, then I can start clearing out here and just clear this whole area, hopefully. A lot of stuff on the table, but I'm going to have to clear it out. And then I can move this way. Okay, so let's start trying to do some creative legs for the bench.